His school is not there. Can you start the class, please? Starting the session, please. Everyone, get ready, please. Now let's see. Last class, till where we have finished? We have finished our work. Till which questions? We have finished our questions. कुछ नहीं मस्ती so now look here यहाँ पे एक क्वेश्चन था ना कि one of the zeros of the quadratic polynomial is equal to the magnitude but opposite in sign of the other, then find the value of k. Means start solving question number 18 because I think we have solved question number this one done na? We had to start from question number 18, 19, 20. Come on, start solving the question. Good afternoon everyone. Come on, start solving the question. So here, if one of the zeros of quadratic polynomial is, so what is the one of the zeros of quadratic polynomial? If one of the zeros of quadratic polynomial, f of x is equal to 4x square minus 8x minus 9 is there. Okay. So now here this is the equation given to you. Now alpha is equal to minus beta. Okay. Then what they are telling, find the value of k. This is the most easiest question. Why it is the most easiest question? Because if you will be solving this question, what is the value of k will come? See, alpha plus beta, sum of the zeros is minus of minus 8 by 4. That is b by 8. Minus b by 8. Correct? No? So this one will cancel here alpha, but here 8k is there. 8k is there. So minus into minus will become plus. Minus into minus will become plus. Here alpha is equal to minus beta. So instead of alpha, can I write minus beta? So minus beta plus beta is equal to, what is exactly coming here then? Here it is coming 8k by 4. I hope you might have understood 8k by 4. So once 8k by 4 is coming, this 0 is equal to 8k by 4. So k value is coming as 0. So in this question, if you will be solving it nicely, k value is coming as 0. I hope everybody understood. Good afternoon. So now look here. So this is the question we have solved. Question number 18 we have finished. Now we will be going for question number 19 and 20. So please try for question number 19 and 20. What is there in question number 19? Check context. What is there in question number 19? Can you check? What number should be added to the polynomial so that 3 is the zeros of the polynomial? Understood. So, how to solve this question? Come on, check this one out. Come on, go for this question. Please try this question now. Now, what is the question given to you? It's a very simple question. You need to check this one out. If one of the zeros of quadratic polynomial, see what must be added to the polynomial so that 3 is the zeros of polynomial. What must be added? So, can we add x? Let x must be added. Understood? X is already there. So that means what? If x is already there, means any other variable we will take. X means any unknown quantity we have to add. Understood? Here x does not mean that the same value. Here x means that any unknown quantity we have to add. So here, so what we are going to add, what must be added or what should be added. So now let's take, let k should be added to x square plus 5x plus 4 so that 3 is the zero of the polynomial. Understood? So 3 will become what? Zero of the polynomial. Everybody get ready please. So k must be added. We will add k here. So f of x is equal to x square plus 5x plus 4 plus k. So if 3 is the polynomial, always remember, if 3 is the polynomial, minus 5 is there. So if 3 is the polynomial, so if 3 is the polynomial means it will satisfy f of x and it will make f of x is equal to 0. So if 3 is the polynomial, then it will make f of 3 equal to 0. So what answer we are going to write here? F of 3 equal to 0. So here f of 3 we will substitute. It will become 3 square minus 5 into 3 plus 4 plus k equal to 0. Always remember, whatever is the zeros are there, zeros will always satisfies the polynomial. Zeros will always satisfies the polynomial and it will make the polynomial equal to 0. So here once you are writing this, now this part is coming 0. 9 minus 15 plus 4 plus k equal to 0. 9 plus 4 will become 13. So 13 minus 15 plus k equal to 0. So minus 2 equal to minus k. So k value is coming as 2. K value is coming as 2. Okay, so now we will go for the next part. Everybody please try and understand. Okay, so 2 is the correct answer. Now let's go for the next question. Find a quadratic polynomial. One of whose 0 is this and the sum of its 0 is 6. So find a quadratic polynomial. So we have to frame a quadratic polynomial. Everybody start solving. So if one of the zeros is this, we know now its pair exists. Irrational number pair exists. So if this is there, then beta will become 3 minus this. Because in quadratic equation, the zeros, irrational zeros are always existing in pair. So write down this one. In quadratic polynomial, the irrational zeros are always existing in pair. Understood? The irrational zeros are always existing in pair. So only alpha is equal to 3 plus root 2. Then beta is coming as 3 minus root 2. One is coming as 3 plus root 2, then second one ultimately is coming as 3 minus root 2. What is the time, sir? Compound of 1. So one is coming as 3 plus root 2. The another one is coming as 3 minus root 2. Correct? So once 3 plus root 2 and 3 minus root 2 is there. Now what we have to do? Alpha plus beta. So alpha plus beta is equal to 3 plus root 2 plus 3 minus root 2 is equal to 6. So this is already given. Na? Some of the zeros are 6. So it is proving one thing. Now alpha into beta is 3 plus root 2, 6 is given. And 3 minus root 2. So it will become 3 square minus root 2 square. So 9 minus 2 it will come as 7. Everyone please check last question. The remaining question in YouTube you are going to check because 2 questions already we have finished. So now come on, go for the next one. Now we are going to frame the quadratic equation. Framing the quadratic equation. Framing the quadratic equation k x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha beta. So here it will become k bracket x square minus alpha plus beta is this only, na? Alpha is this and beta is this. So it will become minus 6x and then alpha into beta is 7. So plus 7. So this is exactly going to be the answer. So I hope everybody understood k x square minus 6x plus 7. Please see question number 20 everyone. Note down this question set will be available. Don't worry about this. Everyone, please join the class as fast as possible. Today I am going to take a final decision, and then the final decision is I am going to remove some of the students those who are not continuously joining the final sessions. Same thing I done in class 12. Those children who were not coming for final practice, I removed them. So this is the second shot I am giving to class 10. Those who are not attending the sessions, I am going to remove them. Till full year I taught now. Last part, if they are not attending means, definitely let them sleep in home. Not needing me. They can do on their own. Yashwant, write down very nicely, beta. Find a quadratic polynomial. One of the 0 steps, right, and practice. This is the time when you can day and night prepare. This is a day and night prepare session. You should not be smiling also. Because till your paper is not going to give you what you are desiring, this is not the end. This is just the beginning. Practice as much as possible. Today is 7. 7 days more to go. Correct now? Okay, 7th happened 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 9 days, 9 crucial days for the biggest examination, and that is maths. पढ़ाते थे है अब जाइए जाके पढ़िए हु आ रही हूँ मैम मैं अपने बच्चों को पढ़ा रही हूँ okay thank you so much for coming to first time now come on shall we go for the next question Tapashwini today you are late beta तुम्हारे शोभित सर 1000 बच्चों को पढ़ाते होंगे मेरे लिए 10 काफी और तुम्हारे शोभित सर 1000 बच्चों में से एक का भी नाम नहीं देखते इतना तो पता है 10 तो नहीं है सर आप खुद पढ़िए और तैयारी कीजिए Shall we go for the next question beta and your time starts now come on go for this question if m and n are zeros of the polynomial find the values of the following without factorizing polynomial so you don't have to factorize it you just have to find the value of it okay Mukundan start solving the question beta everybody please join the session please so if m and n are zeros of the polynomial zeros of the polynomial means what here m plus n value will be coming as 1 by 3 m into n value will be coming as minus 2 by 3 come on चलो 10 तो नहीं है बेटा बहुत ज़्यादा बच्चे हैं हमारे पास बट सब सो रहे हैं एग्जाम के पहले तुम्हारे जितने कॉन्फिडेंट बच्चे हैं यहाँ ऑनलाइन सेशन भी चलता है, ऑफलाइन भी। हम पर्सनली बच्चों पे ध्यान देते हैं, एक एक बच्चों पे ध्यान देते हैं। जब तक उनका रिजल्ट अच्छा नहीं होता, उनको लोअर लेवल से उठा के ऊपर तक लेके आते हैं। 5 घंटे का मैराथन का वीडियो देके छोड़ नहीं देते। Now look here, beta. 5 and a and b are zeros of polynomial. A, when a and b are zeros of polynomial means it will satisfy the equation. Na? But here one thing is missing. Can I factorize it? If I will factorize it, I will get zeros. No? So ultimately I will get the value of m and n. See, here now what you have to do is, understood not? So see, what you have to actually do here is just use brain. Polynomial rules and regulation we are going to follow, correct now? If any quadratic polynomial is there, we will get at least 2 zeros, correct now? And these 2 zeros, after factorization also, whatever value of x is coming, what they are? They are zeros only, correct now? So what is our basic concept is कि 3x square minus x minus 2, we will factorize it, beta. So once we are factorizing it, what we are going to write? Minus 3x plus कितना लिखेंगे? Minus plus 2x ना बेटा, 3 and 2 is there, so then minus 2. So what we are going to write? 3x x minus 1 plus 2 x minus 1, and then here 3x plus 2 and then x minus 1. This we can write it as equal to f of x. Sorry कुछ नहीं होता बेटा, पढ़ाई करो तो एग्जाम का टाइम है, बस तुम एग्जाम में प्रिपेयर करो और बेस्ट स्कोर लाओ, दैट इज मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट. X equal to minus 2 by 3 and x equal to 1 is there. Okay, so minus 2 by 3 and 1. So once minus 2 by 3 and 1 coming, so can we assume that let m is equal to minus 2 by 3? Because they are zeros only now. They told m and n are zeros. So n is equal to 1. Now beta, what they told? 1 by m plus 1 by n. So directly m value can be substituted minus 2 by 3. And n value is coming as 1 by 1. So look here, 3 will go up now. So what it will become? Minus 3 by 2 plus 1. Now take LCM. Minus 3 plus 2 by 2. Minus 1 by 2. Everybody got? Understood? Thank you so much, Ayush. Up 10th class में हो. So m value 1 by m plus 1 by m value is coming as minus 1 by 2. Now beta, directly they are telling here to square. So once we have m and n value, shall we do it? M value is how much beta? Minus 2 by 3. We have taken m as minus 2 by 3. N value is 1. So 1 square. It will become 4 by 9 plus 1. Those who are having problem in LCM, up also 9, down also 9. So 4 plus 9 by 9. How much it is coming? 13 by 9. So we got these two values. See how much changes you have seen. First we have seen previous polynomial way of solving. Now we are seeing new way of solving questions. Are you understanding? Now in polynomial, in the beginning of the session, what did I say? That direct questions they will not be giving. They will give analytical, they will give value based question, they will give practical based question. Because most of the time, many people were asking from CBSE, now many of the time, CBSE, many people were asking, what is the use of mathematics, of whatever mathematics you are teaching in 10th and 12th, what is the use of it? So now CBSE came with a new format. In that new format, what they are telling that every question is relative to the topic the students are studying in class 10th and 12th. Understood or not? And so only polynomial means कि wherever polynomial is present, whatever part is there, Sophia, everybody, those people who are just joining, please kindly inform all the students in the group to join as fast as possible. After this, again another shot we are going to play. Till night we are going to do, and then physics today. Yesterday physics part we have not done beta because of laptop problem. So today we are going to plan to finish it. Okay. So this one done now. This one done. Now we will go for next one. Find a quadratic polynomial whose zeros are 1 and minus 3. Verify the relation between the coefficient and zeros of the polynomial. Because this is NCRT question, correct? No? This question is NCRT question, and most of the time, whenever they will have no question, they will ask this question. But is it a very challenging question for you people? No, na? Because many times in NCRT we have practiced. Nice to meet you, Vita. So now look at. So here when alpha is equal to 1, beta equal to minus 3. Alpha plus beta, 1 minus 3 will become minus 2. Alpha into beta, minus 3. So that is sum of the roots or sum of the zeros and product of the zeros. With that directly we can frame a quadratic polynomial, correct? Na? But after framing the quadratic polynomial, what we are going to do is we will be proving, verify. What is the verification? Verification of alpha plus beta, what we have studied. Whenever somebody will tell you how to verify a quadratic polynomial, simplest method, what is the quadratic polynomial written as? Ax square. Quadratic polynomial will be written as what, beta? Ax square. Those children who went for lunch, still now they have not written. Where is Sanjay and me? Ax square plus bnc. So that is alpha plus 0 sum. Then what you are writing? Minus coefficient of x square, x by coefficient of x square beta. And then alpha into beta is equal to constant by coefficient of x square. So here beta, what we have got? Alpha is equal to 1 and beta is equal to minus 3. So when we are adding alpha plus beta directly, what we are getting? It is coming as minus 2. Alpha into beta, when we are getting, what we are getting? Minus 3. So this is coming as 1 and this is coming as 2. After that we will frame a quadratic polynomial. If we are framing a quadratic polynomial, what it will become? Kx square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha beta. So beta x square minus of minus 2 means 2x plus or minus minus 3. So this is the quadratic polynomial, and don't forget to write that k is constant. Otherwise we will. Yes. So because whatever constant part will be there, it will be there. So look here. So now what we are going to do here is, if you are having enough time, then do that type of work. Otherwise, directly write alpha plus beta. Here it is coming as what, beta? Minus of coefficient of x. What is the coefficient of x? Can you check what is the coefficient of x coming here? 2 directly, and we got this as 2. This will become equation 3. And here, after solving alpha into beta, I am putting this part. It will be constant. Constant value is coming as what, beta? Minus 3 by 1. And that is what? Direct value substitution, or after framing, we are making everything is coming as same only. I hope we might have understood till here. So now we will go for the next format. So verification questions means alpha plus beta you have to write, and then you have to substitute and solve. So here we will go for the next one. Are you all ready? Finish it. Did you saw the format change in the questions? Maha and everyone? हाय शोभित भैया. शोभित के साथ भैया लगा के रिस्पेक्ट दिया. दैट्स वेरी गुड. यू मस्ट ऑलवेज गिव रिस्पेक्ट टू अ टीचर. दैट्स अ वेरी गुड क्वालिटी. So now look here. Shall we go for the next one, please? So last question here is 23 question. If one zeros of polynomial is 7 times the other 8, just like this question we have solved. If one zero is 4 times the other, based on that question we have solved now. So everybody start solving this question. Come on, children. You can do it. Don't sit idle and don't just depend on me that okay, ma'am is going to solve. I will not touch the question. You people only have to solve the question. We have very less days left and we have very much more work to do. We just start solving and solve it very precisely. Come on, do it. Full Sanjay, Joshua, where are they? Joshua's brother, everybody went for eating. Eating means what is the time here? Is it done, Beta? Once it is done, inform me. Okay, Mahan has given the answer. Let's see. Is it? Did you got it? Good afternoon, Naren. Wow, sir. I was waiting for you, so only I was not starting the questions. Where were you? This much time taking? Okay, we'll start solving the questions, please. I gave enough time to you people. What is the answer? Anybody? Okay. Answer is coming as 2 by 3. Now let's see, I am only going to solve the question because they are all the students. They did not solve this question. I gave enough time for you people to solve this question. Now look here, what is the question given here is, the question is 3x square minus 8x 3x square minus 8x plus 2k plus 1. Correct, na? Plus 2k plus 1. And they are getting one of the root. What is given? One of the root is 7 times the other. This is given. And this is 1. We will consider this as equation 2. Sum of zeros, what we are going to write? Sum of zeros will be what, beta? Alpha plus beta. So since alpha is equal to 7 beta plus beta, what you are going to write? Using equation 2. So 8 beta. What it is coming here as 8 beta. After writing 8 beta, what next work you have to do? 8 beta is equal to, you know that alpha plus beta is also, this is equation 3. You know that alpha plus beta, from here we can take as minus of minus 8 by 3. So it is coming as 8 by 3. So here, can we check this part? 8 beta. So A beta is equal to 8 by 2. So beta is equal to coming as 1 by 3. Then what will be alpha? Alpha will be coming as 7 by 3. Then, so once we have got alpha and beta, now we just need to do alpha into beta. Product of the root? Product of the root is 2k plus 1 by 3. So it is coming, alpha is 7 by beta, na? 7 times beta. 7 times beta into beta. Is it okay? Because here it is given na? Yes, 7 times beta. But here one thing we know na, the alpha value is 7 by 3 and beta value is 1 by 3. And here it is coming as 2k plus 1 by 3. Left and right cancellation, this and this will get cancelled. Now what value will come beta? 7 by 3 is equal to 2k plus 1. So 2k is equal to 7 by 3 minus 1. What is the value coming? Check. 7 minus 3 by 3, 2k. So what is the final answer coming beta? Can you tell me? So here it is coming as k is equal to 7 minus 3 will become 4 by 3 by 2. So here it is coming as 2 by 3. Well done, Maha. Maha answer is absolutely correct. Okay, beta. So shall we start solving the next question, please? Get ready for the next question. Shamila done? One monkey was missing. Just now I found it. Where were you, sir? So next question. I hope everybody noted this question. Done. So now we are going to go for the next question. Some are writing. Wait. No donate. I will only discuss. You people don't practice anything. Okay. I'm going to discuss. I'm going to send questions also. Wait, yeah. Other classes exams are also there. They are killing me. 10th and 12th, I'm not able to. This is second hour of your class now. Come on, go for it. Solve this question, please. go for the next question. Can we start the next question, please? Now look at it. Carbon compound, metal, non-metal, electricity, and one question set I am providing you for practice that we will do because most of the things one by one we can do only. Na? So now look here. Compute the zeros of the polynomial. Also verify the relationship between zeros and its coefficient. Will be able to do this question. Already we have done many times. If alpha and beta are the zeros of the quadratic polynomial, then find the value of this like question we must do. Because see, the question is, I will be teaching you this question, this 25 and 25th question is star mark question, these two questions. First we must solve 25 and 26. So are we ready for 25 and 26 question, Beta? So please study. Please listen to me carefully. Let's check this one out. 25 and 26 I will only solve. Question given to you is 3x squared minus 6x plus 4. 3x square minus 6x plus 4 given to you. Okay. Now, beta, what next values are given? Can we check? 3x square minus 6x plus 4. Now, let's check that one. Other values. It is alpha by beta plus beta by alpha. Alpha by beta plus beta by alpha plus 2.
1 by alpha plus 1 by beta.
1 by alpha plus 1 by beta. Only this much is there?
After that 9 alpha plus.
After that also it is there?
Yes, ma'am. 9 beta.
Plus 9 alpha beta, correct? Plus 9 alpha beta. So this we have to solve. See, this is not at all a tough question. You have to solve this question, correct now?
Yes.
Now please pay attention here. Some rules I am going to teach you. Note down these rules. It will be very, very helpful for you. Children, please understand these rules what I am teaching you right now. Okay, these rules are very important and it must be done very carefully. Till 4 o'clock only class will be there today, okay? So it is 3:27 till 4 o'clock. Now look here, 16 answer is coming. Wait here. Now look here, if alpha square plus beta square is there, then you write alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. This is the formula, remember, for polynomial chapter. So alpha square plus beta square is alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. Understood? And here it will be written alpha minus beta. Then it will become alpha plus beta whole square because it will come in root. Understood? So here you took or he took? Huh? Oh. Okay. So now look here. So what we are going to do is here actually what is the process? Take root and take square of this. Understood? So here it will become final formula will become alpha plus beta whole square minus 4 alpha beta. Note down these formulas. These are some very important formulas, very helpful for you. Alpha plus beta whole square minus 4 alpha beta. This is another part, alpha plus beta whole square minus 4 alpha beta. Alpha plus beta whole square minus 4 alpha beta. Go for it, please. Alpha plus beta whole square minus 4 alpha plus beta. So this is two formulas. Rest other than that, nothing big is there. They will not ask big questions. Okay. So these are the two at least important part. Now first one is from this we will find alpha plus beta. What is alpha plus beta here? Minus b by a. That is minus of minus 6 by 3. It is coming 6 by 3 is equal to 2. Now alpha into beta is 4 by 2. So these two values we got. Now our duty is to solve this part. Alpha by beta plus beta by alpha plus 2, 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta plus 9 alpha beta. Take cross multiplication, alpha square plus beta square by alpha beta plus 2 here alpha plus beta by alpha beta plus 9 alpha beta. Till here done. Now alpha plus beta whole square, what formula I told you?
Alpha beta whole square.
Alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta by alpha beta plus 2 alpha plus beta by alpha beta plus 9 alpha beta. Remember one thing, in CBSE, shortcuts are not good. Understood not? So if you are playing for shortcuts means you will definitely face a problem. If anybody is teaching you that go shortcuts, do shortcuts means then say to that person that I'm not willing to do any shortcuts. Systematically I will do my work. Now after getting this, what is alpha plus beta value beta? 2. So it will become 2 square minus 2 into 4 by 3. After that alpha beta again 4 by 3. Till this much work done. Now next part is substitution of 2 again plus 2. Alpha beta is what? Alpha plus beta is 2 by 4 by 3 and that's 9 into 4 by 3. Did you understood it? Now here now most of the students are doing mistake after this only. So whenever they will be reaching here means extra confidence or you can say overconfidence or you can yes beta both are there. So here extra confidence you say or overconfidence you say or you say over smart people, they will do mistake after this. Understand not? So indirectly telling you people. So now listen. Here now very slowly start approaching. First 4 minus 2 4s are 8 by 3. Nothing written here means 1 by 4 by 3. And then here 2 2s are 4. And denominator is what? 4 by 3. Line you put more bigger so that you can understand this is in fraction. Plus this and this will get cancelled means 3 into 4. Understood? Now first take cross multiplication and solve. 3 4s are 12 minus 8 by 3. Now denominator is 4 by 3 plus 4 and 4 by 3 plus 12. Now here only one small work is left. Here it will become 4 by 3 by 4 by 3. Cancel. No big one. Plus 4 into this 3 will go up. 3 by 4 plus 12. This and this will get cancelled. So what it is coming? This will give you 1 plus 3 plus 12. So how much? 12 plus 3 15 plus 1 16. Story over. Naren, very good. So the answer is absolutely correct. I hope everybody understood how to attempt these type of questions. Huh? Come on, go for it nicely. So this is simple. See, many teachers I have seen that in trigonometry they are writing S, P, D, cos they are putting some symbol, sine they are putting some symbol. If you do like that, CBSE will cut. Understood? Vedanta and all, anywhere I am seeing that many of the teachers they are teaching, they are writing only. Yes, it is a very open rules only. Many teachers they are teaching like that, and many students they are writing P by K, P by H like that. That is for practice. That is not for CBSE. NCRT has written very carefully that wherever sine theta you have to write means right sine theta. Wherever cos theta you have to write means right cos theta. That type of publicity stunt is not going to work. Are you understanding? Simple, to the point, stepwise. Are you understanding? Past many years, 20 years, what I have given toppers. Understand not? And they are getting 100 out of 100 in maths. Last year, 2 toppers, 200 out of 100 students. Got. So here again we are going to continue the same craze. But only one thing, don't do personal mistake. Personal mistake is this only. When you are writing over the rate question. Understand not? Systematic approach, to the point right, unwanted. But after writing every answer, you have to write a conclusion in CBSE. Understood or not? So that sections are very, very important. And we are just little bit change in the trend of CBSE question. if you see the sample paper released by CBSE, they have very much clearly approached that कि भाई we will be going for word problems. Word problems means situational based problems, analytical problems. See, personal mistake don't do. This much revision we have done. Correct now? So if from here you are falling means it's your own personal loss. I will not do anything. What I am doing? This much hours I am standing with you people. Now come on, go for this question. Same technique what I have told. But here this is prove that question. So when prove that questions will come, how we are going to approve that question. Now what is given to you? They have given f of x is equal to x square minus bx plus k. This is equation number 1. Understood? So x square minus bx plus k. So first alpha and beta are the roots. Since alpha, as I am a topper, understood? So now I am a topper. I got full marks in maths examination. Now what I am going to write? How I am going to present my paper? Understood not? So how I have written my answer? I will write alpha and beta are zeros of polynomial. It is given. Now alpha plus beta is equal to, as a topper if I will write means I will not do any mistake. I am comparing it with ax square plus bx plus c. So here it will become minus b by b. And what is b? If I compare, b is equal to minus b. So minus of minus b by 1, it will become p. And alpha into beta is equal to c by 1, and that is q by 1, that is q. Once my work is done, I will go with the next step. I will say that what is given? Alpha by beta. So I will write to prove that, because this is a proof question. Understood? To prove that alpha by beta plus beta by alpha is equal to p square by q minus 2 LHS I will take. So alpha by beta plus beta by alpha. Cross multiply alpha square plus beta square by alpha beta. That will be written as alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta by alpha beta. That's it, bingo, done. What is alpha plus beta? P. P. Now once you have written, see what is the best format of writing. Maths, now there is connectivity everywhere. 1, 2. So what we have to write? P square minus 2q by q. Understood? Now using which equations? Using equation 2 and equation 3. This is the best format of writing. If you write like this means no one can cut your score. Now this by this cancel. It is coming p square by q minus 2 and that equal to RHS. Now this is understood. So when you will be writing like this, then nobody will be able to cut your score. Hello sir? Yes sir. Okay sir. So when you will be doing like this, they will not be able to cut one single mark from you. You please be very, very acquainted with 80, 30. Did you notice how I have solved? Did I miss any steps? One by one, single steps, I have kept it very carefully. Correct? No? In exam, every question counts. From equation 3 beta, LHS is equal to RHS you have to prove. Then you take LHS side. LHS side is alpha by beta plus beta by alpha. Cross multiply alpha into alpha, alpha square, beta into beta, beta square by alpha beta. Understood? Now beta one formula is there, alpha square plus beta square. In shortcut, if somebody will tell you to prove, see alpha square plus beta square. You add into alpha beta, you subtract 2 alpha beta. Then take this means alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. The moment we have done like this, now every part is in the form of alpha plus beta and alpha into beta. After that we substituted and we got the answer. I hope everybody understood here. No, sir, 2 years. Hello? I worked with 2019, 2027. Why 21? Sir, that letter what school has provided, that letter is with me. That working days are also written here, mentioned here. I hope everybody written this one. Shall we go for the next question, please? And your next question is, do this. This objective very simple. Come on, go for it. Quadratic polynomial whose zeros are minus 3 and 4. Minus 3 plus 4, minus 1. Minus of minus 1 will become plus 1. But here one problem is there. Check here, sorry. It is minus 1 and then 3 into 4. Which one is going to be the correct answer? Come on, tell.
With multiplication minus value should come, but +2
I think some mistake is there. Here it will be minus and then here minus. Sorry. Minus and here also minus will be there. So here one part will be minus with that. Both equations will be coming as minus. But here this is the correct answer. See, look here. How it is going to be the correct answer? Now everyone pay attention here. I am solving this question. See, alpha is coming as minus 3, beta is coming as 4. So now alpha plus beta is equal to 1. Alpha into beta is minus 2. So forming, yes sir. Ah. 2, 5, 3, 4, 6, 7. So here it is coming as minus x minus 2. But here, look here. Can we do one thing? Can we divide all sides? We will multiply 2 here and divide everything by 2. So it is 2k. It will become x square by 2 minus x by 2 minus 6. So this answer is going to be. So here 2k is coming as constant. Na? So constant value will change also, no problem. I hope you might have understood. Yes, C is the correct answer. Yes, sir. Shall we go for next question, please? Go for question number. This is the same question. Go for this question, please. And your time starts now. See what we are telling that just now we have solved this question. Huh? Okay, if one of the zeros of quadratic polynomial of the form is negative of the other, then it has no linear terms and the constant term is negative. It has no linear term and the constant term is positive. Can have a linear term but the constant term is negative. Can have a linear term but the constant term is positive. This is a very good question. Those people who are listening me, please kindly solve it nicely. I will attempt it very quickly. Here what they are telling that if one of the what you call, if one, pay attention, if one of the zeros of quadratic polynomial is negative of the other, first alpha plus beta will become 0. So if alpha plus beta will become 0 means what is the root part? Sir. Yes. 564067. 5640 minus. So what is the answer for this question? Everybody please start answering the question. Everybody, how many of you people, many people are telling B, many people are telling C, sorry, A. Okay, now let's analyze the question because analyzation of question is also too important. Now look at it. If one of the zeros of quadratic polynomial, now let's solve this part. We don't know anything. Our quadratic polynomial is ax squared plus bx plus c. This can be our quadratic polynomial, correct? No? Now what they are telling that ki alpha is equal to minus beta, correct? That means alpha plus beta should come minus b by a. But here alpha minus beta plus beta equal to minus b by a. That means 0 is equal to minus b by a. That means 100% linear part will become 0. Understood? Now alpha into beta is equal to c by a. Understood? So alpha is minus beta into beta is equal to c by a. So minus beta squared is equal to c by a. So here this negative will go, it will become minus c by a. So that means this part, then no linear term and the constant term is negative. A will become the correct answer. Understood? The constant term part will become negative. And C part after solving is coming as negative. I hope you might have understood. The constant term part is coming as negative. I hope till here it is okay. Yes. So this is exactly going to happen. I hope everybody, Maha and Kritika, absolutely wonderful performance. You people have said one. Now, beta, which of the following is not the graph of quadratic polynomial? Which one is not the graph of quadratic polynomial? First, second, third, fourth. Which one is not the graph of quadratic polynomial? Tarun is telling one. Why one is problem for you? Second, third, fourth. A quadratic polynomial D. B. Why? Contact point is 1 means 2 values will come. See, this is quadratic polynomial. Minimum root can be 1 quadratic polynomial. Same value can repeat 2 times. Here also quadratic polynomial. This is 3 values, 3 zeros. So this is cubic polynomial. So the correct answer is cubic polynomial. I hope everybody might have enjoyed the class. Today again we are going to continue because many questions are left. So next in your evening we are going to continue with these questions. 2 marks and 3 marks questions we are going to continue and finish this set for polynomial. Everybody please practice polynomial nicely. Okay.